When you're fighting a traffic ticket in court, you have to give yourself the very best chance of winning. So, don't just go into court and tell the judge you didn't do it, or the officers, or you're a good person, or you have a clean record. You know why? Honestly, because no one in the court cares. You know what else? You probably will not win. So, it's time to focus on what matters, and technicalities matter. Welcome. My name is David Jolly. Focusing on details and mistakes is how you find fault in the case and how you win arguments. It's time to focus on finding technical issues that dismiss cases. Individual officers issue hundreds or even thousands of tickets a year, and guess what? They make mistakes. They cut and paste facts. They get distracted, or they're just sloppy. They are, after all, human. But whatever the reason, mistakes exist, and it's your job to find those mistakes. The first thing you need to do is get the police report. To get this, you must properly request the report, we call it discovery, from the proper source. The source is usually the prosecuting attorney, but if you're not certain, phone the court clerk and ask where you can get discovery, or go to the court website and find out where you can correctly request discovery. But be careful, as you must request discovery timely, meaning you must do so within a certain number of days prior to your court date. Such technical defenses that may result in the dismissal of your case include the incorrect name of the driver, wrong license plate number of the vehicle involved in the infraction, wrong vehicle description, wrong street or highway where the infraction occurred, the officer failing to sign the ticket, wrong gender of the driver, wrong traffic code with which you were cited for violating. Technical issues are a great way to fight a traffic ticket. Be sure you thoroughly go through the ticket and the discovery and locate errors, omissions, and inconsistencies. Admittedly, some technical issues are more powerful and successful than others. Some of the issues I mentioned will work in some courts and others not as much, but they're all fair game in the war of contested hearings. Please click on the link in the description below for your free guide on how to dismiss your traffic ticket. And for more videos on how to beat a traffic ticket in court, please subscribe to this channel.